Happy birthday. Hey, happy birthday in a meaningful way. I'm not just here to say I hope you have a great day. You're such an awesome person, I appreciate you. You're honest, kind, and caring, you're loyal and true. I'm glad you're in my life, you're the best there is. Here's to one more epic year, honey, you're the shiz. Happy birthday.